Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to discuss about a candle flame. So before you uh, actually see this video, I want you to light a candle and observe the flame carefully and then just try to correlate with this video. If you observe the flame of a candle very carefully, you'll find three different colors in it. So there will be three different colors, that means three different zones. So how do we name those zones? The outermost zone, that is the one which is at the outermost edge, is known as the outermost zone. And you'll observe that the color of the zone is blue. Then in the middle, obviously this will be the middle zone. The color here will be yellow or orange. And just next to the wick of the candle is the innermost zone, and the color here will be black. So if you observe a flame very carefully, the flame of a candle we are talking about, you will be very easily able to observe all the three zones by observing their respective colors out there. So these are the three zones of a candle flame. Now we are going to discuss why they are having these particular colors. For this, you first need to understand complete and incomplete combustion. Complete combustion is when complete burning out of the fuel takes place in sufficient supply of oxygen. In such a case, since complete combustion is taking place, no residue is being left behind, the flame is blue in color. But if the supply of oxygen will be deficient, in that case, incomplete combustion will take place and the flame turns yellow. This you can observe in your kitchen also. Sometimes when something overflows on the gas burner while it is still burning, the flame suddenly changes to orange in color. Under normal circumstances, that flame is blue, but something when it just flows on the burner, when the gas is on, you for a brief period of time you can observe that the color changes from blue to yellow, and then after some time it again gets converted back to blue. It is because when something overflowed on the burner, the pores they got clogged and oxygen was not able to enter. So incomplete combustion started taking place, due to which the color of the flame changed. So similarly here in a candle, when we light the wick, we introduce this wick, the matchstick over here, we ignite this candle, the wax it starts vaporizing, the wax it gets converted into vapors, and this forms the innermost zone. Here no combustion is taking place, so this is the zone of no combustion. Also we can say that in the innermost zone, which is black in color, there is no combustion taking place because it is just the wax vapors that are being forming over here. And since there is no combustion, that is the reason there is no color assigned to this flame, this part of the flame, and it appears black. And this is also the coldest part of the flame. So this is the coldest part because no combustion is taking place here. So the innermost zone, it's black in color, there's no combustion occurring here, and that is why it is also the coldest part of the flame. There's no heat here. Moving on, as the vapors they move up, they start burning now because of the heat. And in the middle zone, yes, combustion begins, but because the supply of oxygen is not enough, so incomplete combustion is taking place here. So in the middle zone, I'll be writing it this side, it's a zone of incomplete combustion, and that is why the yellow color is there, because you can see the particles burning with the yellow flame or the yellow light or the orange light, which indicates that yes, it's incomplete combustion. And this is the moderately hot part of the flame. So the middle part is moderately hot. Moving on to the outermost part of the flame, which is blue in color, this indicates complete combustion. So in the outermost zone, it's complete combustion taking place. And that is the reason the blue color is there. And since complete combustion is taking place, the maximum amount of energy is being given out, and this is the reason this is the hottest part of the flame. So which is the hottest part of the flame? Yes, the outermost zone is the hottest part of the flame. So these are the things to be remembered when you are studying about the different zones of a candle flame. 3 parts of the flame: outermost, middle and the innermost. Outermost, blue in color, complete combustion and hottest part of the flame. Middle zone, yellow in color, incomplete combustion is occurring here. It's moderately hot. Innermost zone, black in color, no combustion taking place here, and hence it is the coldest part of the flame. So it's as simple as that. And don't forget to hit the like button if you like the concept of the video, and don't forget to share the channel also. You can find some more written notes on the website www.sureshagarwal.in. So do visit the website and just check out. You may find something that might be useful for you. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.